Good morning, this is Rolling Truck with another video to show you. This video is a 2005 Freightliner Columbia sleeper. It's a flat top sleeper, 66-inch bunk. It's powered by a 14-liter 60 series Detroit motor. It's got a Fuller 10-speed as the transmission. Air ride suspension. Chrome front bumper. It's got 6 aluminum, 4 steel wheels. It's got 2 aluminum fuel tanks, 120 gallons per tank. .228 wheelbase. The frame is not perfect, but it's not bad for an 05 Freightliner. It's got a single line wet kit. Set up to run an in-dump trailer, framed or frameless, air slide fifth wheel. The customer traded this truck in and put lockouts on the fifth wheel so he could pull a frameless in-dump. So it's ready to have a trailer hooked to it and go to work. Not bad rubber, it's not all matching rubber, but like I said, 6 aluminum, 4 steel wheels. There's a little bit better picture of the frame. Drum brakes. Air slide fifth wheel. We'll take a look on the inside. Not a bad truck. This truck's got 1 million miles, just over 1 million miles on it. Still runs and drives like it should. It's got power windows, locks and mirrors, heated mirrors. It's got 2 really nice air ride seats. 2 Legacy air ride seats in it. The interior is in pretty good shape. There's the transmission shift pattern. AC blows cold. It's blowing cold right now. Suspension dump. Fifth wheel lock. Like I said, it's got a diff lock on it, PDL. It's got 1 million miles, 7,038 miles on it. Like I said, the truck still runs and drives like it should. Got a custom steering wheel. We'll take a look back into the sleeper. Like I said, it's a 66-inch sleeper. It's got room for microwave, refrigerator, some storage. It's a single bunk sleeper. Here's your HVAC controls in the corner there. Interior's not that bad. Floor's not all tore up. Truck's still got a lot of life left to her. We'll pop the hood and let you listen to how the motor sounds. Good steer tires. Like I said, it's a 60 series Detroit. We feel this truck is ready to go to work. Anti-steer tires, good tread. We serviced the truck, so it's got all new filters under the hood, oil. I know it's got 1 million miles, but this truck is very reliable, very dependable. It starts every time. I try to cycle my cycle trucks once a week, and this one don't have any issues starting at all. If you're interested, give us a call. Like I said, it's an 05 Freightliner Columbia sleeper, flat top. Stock numbers are 2843. Feel free to give us a call here at Rolling Truck, 937-548-4200. Thank you and have a wonderful day.